Turn lanes. At the intersection ahead, traffic in the left lane must turn left and traffic in adjoining lane may turn left or continue straight ahead. Correct answer here is C, turn lanes. Four-way stop. Traffic from all four directions must stop. Vehicles proceed through the intersection in the order that they arrive at the intersection. The first vehicle to reach the intersection should move forward first. If vehicles arrive approximately at the same time, each driver must yield to the driver on their right. So the correct answer would be C, four-way stop. Wrong way. You're going the wrong way on an expressway exit ramp. Do not drive past this sign. Turn around immediately. The correct answer is C, wrong way. Do not enter. On one-way streets and roadways that you are not allowed to enter. You may see this sign if you enter an expressway ramp in the wrong direction. Turn around. The correct answer is B. Do not enter. Yield. You must slow down and give vehicles crossing your path the right of way. If the way is clear, you may move forward slowing without stopping. The correct answer in here would be A. Yield. One way. You must travel only in the direction of the arrow. Correct answer is A. One way. No passing. You are entering a no passing zone. If you choose A, then you are correct. No passing. Stop sign ahead. Slow down and be ready to stop at the stop sign. The correct answer is C. Stop sign ahead. Keep right. Stay to the right of the divider. Your correct answer would be A. Keep right. Traffic signal ahead. A traffic signal is at the intersection ahead. Slow down. Poor visibility is likely. Correct answer is A. Traffic signal ahead. Low clearance. Do not enter if your vehicle is taller than the height listed on the sign. I think you all got this one right. It's A. Low clearance. Speed reduction sign. Advance notice to upcoming speed limit change. Correct answer is C. Speed reduction sign. Center turn lane. The center lane is shared for left turns in both directions of travel. Correct answer is C. Center turn lane. Hill downgrade. The road goes downhill ahead. Slow down and be ready to shift to lower gear to control speed. Your correct answer is C. Hill downgrade. No turn on red. You must not turn right or left during the red light. You must wait for the green signal. Correct answer is A. No turn on red. Advisory speed sign. The highest safe speed you should travel around the curve ahead is the one posted. Advisory speed signs may be used with any warning sign. Your correct answer would be A, advisory speed sign. School sign. You are near a school. Watch for children at all times, not just during school hours. Correct answer is C, school sign. Animal crossing. The animal picture on this sign is common in this area. Watch for animals crossing the road, particularly during twilight and nighttime hours. Correct answer is C, animal crossing. Must turn. You cannot go straight ahead. You must turn either to the right or to the left. B would be the correct answer. Must turn. Crossroad. A road crosses the main highway. Ahead, look to the left and right for other traffic. The correct answer would be A, crossroad. Two-way traffic ahead. The one-way street or roadway is about to change to two-way traffic. There will be oncoming traffic. Correct answer would be B, two-way traffic ahead. Pass with care. You're allowed to pass, but do so with caution. Correct answer is A, pass with care. Right curve. The road will curve to the right. Slow your speed and do not pass other vehicles. The correct answer is A, right curve. School crossing. Slow down and watch for children crossing the road. Stop if necessary. Obey signals from any crossing guards. The correct answer is A, school crossing. No outlet. Mark roads in a neighborhood that do not have an exit. The correct answer is A, no outlet. Begin school zone. Do not exceed the school zone speed limit during indicated times or when light is flashing. Correct answer is A, begin school zone. No turns. You must not turn either to the right or to the left at this intersection. Correct answer is A, no turns. Pedestrians crossing. Watch for people crossing the street. Slow down or stop to yield for pedestrians. The correct answer is A, pedestrian crossing. Advance warning sign. This is usually the first sign you see when approaching a highway, railroad crossing. Correct answer is B, advance warning sign. Construction maintenance. Signs and signal various traffic control devices are used in road construction and maintenance work areas to direct drivers and pedestrians safely throughout the work site. The correct answer is A, construction maintenance. Yield ahead. Yield sign ahead. Slow down and be prepared to stop at a yield sign or adjust speed traffic. Correct answer is C. Yield ahead. Parking by disabled permit only. Parking in the space is only for vehicles displaying an official disabled parking permit and transporting a person with disability. The correct answer in this case is C. Parking by disabled permit only. One way. You must travel only in the direction of the arrow. Correct answer is A. One way. Merging traffic. You're coming to a point where another traffic lane joins the one you are on. Watch for other traffic and be ready to yield the right of way when necessary. The correct answer is A. Merging traffic. No U-turn. You must not make a complete turn to go in the opposite direction where this sign is displayed. The correct answer is C. No U-turn. Divided highway ends. The divided highway on which you are traveling ends 350 to 500 feet ahead. You will then be on a roadway with two-way traffic. Keep to the right. The correct answer is C. Divided highway ends. Restricted lane ahead. A diamond-shaped marking shows that a lane is reserved for certain purposes or certain vehicles, such as buses or carpool vehicles during rush hour traffic, also used in bike lanes. Correct answer is A. Restricted lane ahead. Exit speed. This sign lists the maximum recommended safe speed for an exit ramp on an expressway. Slow down to the posted speed. Correct answer is A. Exit speed. Roundabout circle. Provides advance notice of a roundabout. Prepare to slow down and possibly yield to traffic in the roundabout. The correct answer here is C. Roundabout circle. Speed limit. Your speed must not exceed the posted speed in this area. The answer is A. Speed limit. No parking on pavement. If you stop, you must always park off the pavement of the highway. Correct answer is B. No parking on pavement. No right turn. You must not make a right turn at this intersection. Correct answer is A. No right turn. Reduction of lanes. There will be fewer lanes ahead. The right lane ends and the traffic must merge left. Drivers in the left lane should allow others to merge smoothly. Correct answer is A. Reduction of lanes. Pavement ends. The paved surface ahead changes to the gravel or earth road. Correct answer is A. Pavement ends. Bicycle crossing. A bikeway crosses the roadway ahead. Watch for bicyclists. Correct answer is A. Bicycle crossing. Divided highway ahead. The highway ahead is divided by a median or physical barrier. Keep to the right. Correct answer is C, divided highway ahead. Slippery surface. In wet weather, drive slowly. Do not speed up or brake quickly. Make turns at a very slow speed. Correct answer is B, slippery surface. Sharp right turn. The road will make a sharp turn to the right. Slow your speed and do not pass other vehicles. Correct answer is C, sharp right turn. Dip. There is a low place in the road. Go slowly and be ready to stop and turn around if the dip is filled with water. Correct answer is A, dip. Winding road. There are several curves ahead. Drive slowly and carefully. Do not pass other vehicles. Correct answer would be C, winding road. School sign. You are near a school. Watch for children at all times, not just during school hours. Correct answer is C, school sign.